Hello guys, this is part 2.
Kunwari kinakausap mo si Kylie.
This is part 2. So we're gonna put the sticker. Yes, sticker now. Kaya andito ako kasi naglilinis ko.
Pumahanap yung ano.
Naglilinis yung mami natin. Naglilinis po sila. Ay, nag-clean.
They're cleaning my uncle's store.
Anong uncle?
Tito sa English.
Naglilinis po kami ng mami namin. Okay. So, hindi po talaga ako nakatira dito. Kanarunan po kami.
She doesn't live here.
Yes.
So there. Like for part 3!